Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to book a flight on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to book a flight on Flair Airlines web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. On the home page, locate, of course, after logging in, go ahead and locate the book a flight section, which we have here. It's literally the best communication box that you can find. All right, then the first thing is to choose if you want a round trip or a one-way trip. So select if it's a one-way or a round trip. Then after selecting the corresponding option, the next thing to do is to enter your travel details. So the first thing is your departure and arrival city. So from where were you departing from? Let's say Edmonton, and where you're going to, let's say Victoria. And once you're done, enter your travel dates. So this is the departure date. I'm going to choose this, and my return date, I'm going to choose this, and that's all. So the next thing is number of passengers. So indicate the number of adults, children, or infants traveling. So I just want to travel alone. If you're traveling with others, just go ahead and add by using the plus button. If you want to reduce the number, go ahead and use the minus button and click on confirm. Once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is to click on search flights. If you have a promo code, go ahead and fill that in from here and click on search flights. Then you should see a list of available flights. So a list of available flights will appear showing various time options and fares. Just select the flight that best suits your schedule and budget by clicking on the corresponding fare. So depending on the fare class, you may be shown various ticket options. So go ahead and choose any of the options. So choose the departing flight, and just one flight is available for me. And my return flight, I just have one flight as well. So I'm just going to choose that. So show prices from. Okay, so you have the big bundle, you have basic, and you have bare bundle. So I'm just going to choose the big bundle. And my return flight, so I'm choosing the big bundle as well. So now that I have chosen my flight, the next thing to do is to click on the continue button to take you to the next page. Now here you go. So you have an option to, of course, confirm your personal details. My first name, no middle name, and date of birth. Awesome. If you need accessibility requests, you can just check this or toggle that on and select continue to continue to the next. So this is where you select your carry-on. So add a checked bag, and if you have, so this is recommended in bundle, and you have this as a personal item. Okay, so let's say I don't think I want to check bag also, but let's just add to flight. So if you want to bring in a special item, you can just go ahead and click on this to know how you can bring in a special item like a petting cabin, bike, golf clubs, hockey, sky, and board. So go ahead and click on next flight or next step rather. So now you are still on carry on for the next trip. So the first one is Edmonton to Victoria and Victoria to Edmonton. That's my return flight. Nothing. So I'm just going to click on continue to proceed. Now down here, we have to select, of course, the seat selection. So where do you want to sit? You have to choose a place that is convenient for you. So it's selected this extra room, standard, and occupied. So this is what they look like. And I'm just going to choose this one, extra leg room, because I need maximum comfort. So once you're done with that, next flight. For my next trip, I'm going to choose this as well. I need that extra. Of course, you know the prices that is accrued. and next flight. So that takes you here. Now add peace of mind to your trip. So travel flex, at travel flex or no travel flex, I won't change my flight. So I don't want it, but if you want it, then just go ahead and select any of this travel flex. Don't wait in line, get on the plane first. So you can add priority boarding or just general boarding and save yourself some days and check in online for free. So you can do prepay, airport check-in free, or check-in online. Okay, let's say I want travel flex and I want priority boarding and I also want to check in online. So once you know all of that, the next thing is add more to your trip. So if you want to rent a car, so you can just go ahead and click on search now to rent a car, or just go ahead and click on continue. I would have the best treatment for this. So did you forget something? Review your trip. Now this is selected flight and passenger information. Did you forget something? Maybe spark equipment or anything, just go ahead and add. But no, I'm just going to click on continue. So my phone number, of course, my phone number should be added here. My country code is required. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for my country code so I can get to the next step. All right. Now here we are, okay, in the payment page. So you have to enter your preferred payment method. Of course, enter it. So pay monthly or pay with card. No, I don't want pay monthly. I want pay with card, so I can just pay at once. So here you have to, of course, enter your name on the card, using a credit card, your card number, expiration date. Just fill out all of these details and confirm that you have reviewed and agreed. So once you're done with all of that, you can also check your price summary in here to see all the details regarding your flight. And after that, go ahead and click on submit. So once you click on submit, that's it. The payments will be processed and you receive a booking confirmation on the screen. So Flair Airlines will send a confirmation email with your flight details and booking reference number. So keep this email for future reference, as you may need it to check in for your flight. After booking, you can log into your account on Flair Airlines to view or modify your booking, such as adding extra services or changing flight details. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.